If you're thinking about trying ReceiptiX AI, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in, especially if you're looking for the best just-released AI software to simplify your life or business. Stick around, because the last point could seriously change the way you handle receipts forever. Now, before we jump in, you can try ReceiptiX AI completely free from the first link below. I've tested hundreds of tools like this, and this one's worth a look. And trust me, there's a hidden feature most people are missing, and I'll reveal that toward the end. So let's get into it. ReceiptiX AI is a brand new AI-powered tool designed to automatically extract, organize, and digitize your receipts, whether they're emailed to you, scanned from a paper, or dragged in from cloud storage. If you're tired of manually sorting receipts for taxes, business reports, or reimbursements, this software solves that. One thing that sets ReceiptiX AI apart is its multi-format compatibility. It doesn't matter if your receipt is a crumpled photo or a PDF, you upload it, and ReceiptiX's AI extracts the merchant, amount, date, taxes, and categorizes it in seconds. No templates needed. This isn't OCR with fancy marketing. This is actual machine learning that improves over time with your data. ReceiptiX also connects with platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, and Google Drive, which makes it ideal for freelancers, small business owners, or accountants who want to eliminate data entry. The automation potential here is massive, especially if you're managing expenses across multiple clients or departments. Another strong point is the privacy setup. Everything is encrypted, and you can even use offline processing if you don't want any sensitive receipts touching the cloud. Most AI tools don't offer that level of control, especially the newer ones. Now here's something people miss. ReceiptiX AI also offers real-time fraud detection by flagging suspicious entries. If you're scanning bulk receipts or uploading on behalf of a team, this is a built-in safeguard that can save you from tax season disasters. And in terms of user experience, it's clean and fast. There's no clunky dashboard, no learning curve. Just drag, drop, done. If you've used tools like Dext or Expensify, this one feels snappier, more modern. You don't need to be tech savvy to make this work. But here's the game changer. ReceiptX learns from your receipts. The more you upload, the more it understands your spending categories, recurring vendors, and common tags. That means less editing over time and smarter insights. It basically becomes your personal receipt assistant. So, is ReceiptX AI the best just-released AI software in this category? If you want automation, accuracy, and real-world time savings, it's easily in the top tier. Again, you can try ReceiptX AI completely free from the first link below. And if you're curious what other AI tools I personally recommend after testing over 1,000, I've added my top picks for different tasks in the description below. All free to try. Check them out after this. Thanks for watching.